Do your personal events mess up your work schedule? Learn how to create a separate work calendar in Google Calendar in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through creating a new calendar, giving it a name and description, then setting your time zone. Ready? First, scroll down to Other Calendars and click the plus sign. Then click on Create New Calendar. Now enter Work Calendar in the name field. Next, add a description like work meetings, projects, deadlines, and tasks. Select your preferred time zone. Then go ahead and click on Manila, Philippines. Finally, click on Create Calendar. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.